present over here. I, Suman Chauhan, Assistant Professor, SDPC.
And I, Achla Vyas, Assistant Professor, SDPC. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony.
This is a much awaited event in every student's life, as it gives the returns to the efforts put in by the students throughout their academic.
With this thought, we are going to start our first graduation ceremony.
Before we begin this auspicious event, it is customary to invoke the blessings of the divine by lighting the ceremonial lamp.
So, dignitaries on the dais, it's an immense pleasure to see you all as graduates today. As on behalf of Sri Sahakar Education Trust, Dhanvantri family, I welcome you all. Today we have very good, distinguished, invited special guest, Jain Singh Rathod, IAS, Sunil IAS, State Government of Gujarat, Karthik Jivani IAS, State Government of Gujarat, Dr. C.D. Selath sir. These are today's distinguished guests. They have achieved in a younger age that 221 batch, IAS 2R of 221 batch, and one is their senior. So definitely it is an encouragement for all graduates looking at these young IAS. Why don't we become IAS one day? That is what the dream which is going to come in everybody's mind. That is why we invited special as a IAS dignitaries on the dais. I welcome you all, sir, for today's graduation day, and we are delighted to see you all on the stage, and definitely it is going to be a day to remember. So with this, I also welcome all the management trustees, Dr. N.D. Jivani, Dynamic President of Sri Sahakar Education Trust, Dr. D.L. Sutaria sir, he is the Secretary of Sahakar Education Trust, Dinesh Bhai Navadia, he is also a trustee member, active in development of the Sahakar Education Trust, Kishore Mawani ji, he is also trustee member, and we have principals of two institutes, Sri Dhanvantri College of Engineering and Technology, Dr. Dharmendra Dubey ji, and Dr. Den Singh, school principal, as today's guest. Now I would like to invite Dr. N.D. Jivani to felicitate, give a floral welcome to the Jain Singh Rathod, IAS, Gujarat Government, State Government of Gujarat. IAS, State Government of Gujarat. Now I invite Dinesh Bhai Navadia for welcoming Mr. Karthik Jivani, who stood 8th rank All India, and he made a history in the Gujarat state. I'd like to invite Dr. Dharmendra Dubey ji to invite Dr. C.D. Selath sir.
Now I would like to request Dr. N.D. Jivani sir for presidential speech.
To everyone, esteemed guests, renowned faculties, proud parents, and our distinguished graduates. It is my pleasure to welcome you all on this first graduation day ceremony. After completing first year of the autonomous status granted by the UGC, I would like to thank all faculties for their guidance and support to our graduates throughout their academic journey. First of all, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to graduates for their hard work and dedication. Remember that education does not end here. Continue to seek knowledge, embrace new challenges, and strive for excellence. The world is full of opportunity to explore and conquer. The world needs your talents, skills, and passion. Use them wisely and make a difference. May your journey be filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. All the best to graduates. Thank you all.
The president of this institution, director of this institution, all the trustees, faculties, and the students who are present here. First of all, I wish you all the best and many congratulations that you are stepping into this new journey after graduating from this institution. To be honest, मैं prepared नहीं था इस speech के लिए, and it was in this last moment that I was told that I have to make a speech in front of you. I will not take much of your time. बस आप लोग को देख के I just remember my journey. I graduated in 2020 from BITS Pilani. I have done graduation in manufacturing engineering, and it is. I feel so happy to see all the happy faces because आप सब लोग ने बहुत अच्छी friendship बनाई होगी कॉलेज के अंदर, and probably आज के बाद बहुत ऐसे लोग होंगे जो बहुत लंबे टाइम तक आपस में नहीं मिल पाएंगे. So I would suggest and advise everyone कि जितना ये टाइम हो सके आप अपने साथ स्पेंड करें. और the most important thing is कि आगे जाके आप लोग के लिए एक जो भी आप लोग नई जर्नी अपनी इस्टेब्लिश करना चाहते हैं, आप लोग को अपना एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना पड़ेगा. आई विल जस्ट आस्क कि आप लोग में से कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जो आगे जाके गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं, और लाइक कैन यू लाइक रेज योर हैंड्स. So I'm assuming that most of you would be pursuing their careers in the respective fields of your graduation. So good to know that, and I wish you again all the best. I just want to say कि मेरे जो भी करियर है उससे मैंने एक ही चीज सीखी है कि जो भी आप करें, just give your full 100% into it. It is not important कि आप का background क्या है, आपका knowledge base क्या है, but the intent, and I think intent is the most important thing in your life. तो जो भी आप लोग आगे जाके pursue करना चाहते हैं, just have the right intent. And I'll just share one quote from a famous speech by Harivansh Rai Bachchan. This helped me during my preparation phase. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती है, वो आप सबने सुना होगा. तो उसका एक बहुत उसकी 3-4 लाइनें जो मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगती हैं, that is regarding failures. हम सबकी लाइफ में बहुत फेलियर्स आते हैं, एंड फेलियर्स आर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, एंड आगे जाके ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है कि सबका एक लाइक अ गुड करियर ट्रेजेक्टरी होता है. एवरीवन हैज फेस देयर ओन चैलेंजेस एंड फेलियर्स. तो उसमें ही स्पीक्स लाइक असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक सफल ना हो तुम, नींद चैन सब त्यागो तुम, संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, कुछ किए ही बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड all the best to your families as well, and I congratulate to you on graduating on this day, and my best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Respected guest Shri Jayant Singh Rathore sir to come forward and present the memento certificate to our MPharm student batch 23-24. I request Ms. Aarti Kuril to come forward. She has secured 4th rank in GTU and 1st rank in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department. Seventh rank in GTU and 1st rank in Pharmacology Department. Next, I request Purvisha Borasia. She has secured 7th rank in GTU and 2nd rank in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department. Next, Mr. Anurag Dubey. He has secured 1st rank in Institute and Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance Department. Thank you, Shri Sunil sir, to come forward and present the memento and certificate to our M.Pharm student of batch 22-23. I request Ms. Pooja Gajera to come forward. She has secured 2nd rank in GTU and 1st rank in Institute and RA department. Next, Mr. Shwetam Pekaria. He has secured the 3rd rank in GTU and 1st rank in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department. Next, Ms. Drashti Rana. She has secured 4th rank in GTU and 2nd rank in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department. Next, Mishra Ranvi Vivek Kumar. She has secured 1st rank in Pharmaceutics Department. Next, Ms. Patel Diya Paresh Kumar. She has secured 1st rank in Pharmacology Department.
Forward and present the memento and certificates to our family students of batch 22-23. I request Ms. Bhakta Khushi Pankaj Kumar to come forward. She got gold medal and secured 1st rank in GTU. I request Sri Kartik Diwali sir to present a cash prize of 25,000 to Ms. Bhakta Khushi for securing gold medal and 1st rank in GTU. Ms. Patel Saloni Kalpet Bhai. She secured 2nd rank in GTU. Ms. Patel Shivani Bharat Bhai. She has secured 4th rank in GTU. Ms. Joshi Isha Dharmendra Bhai. She has secured 6th rank in GTU. Mr. Thakkar Vatsal Devang. He has secured 8th rank in GTU. Mr. Hiren Dapda, he has secured 6th rank in GTU and 3rd rank in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department from M.Pharm. Thank you, sir. Certificates to our family students of batch 23-24. I request Mr. Koradia Nikunj Balabhai to come forward. He got gold medal and secured first rank. I request Dr. C.D. Salas sir to present a cash prize of 25,000 to Mr. Nikunj. Ms. Balsari Miri Rahul Bhai, he has secured second rank in GDU. Ms. Gangadiwala Insia Aziz Bhai, she has secured fifth rank in GTU. Mr. Patel Amar Farooq, he has secured sixth rank in GTU. Miss Wadiwala Shraddha Dharmesh Bhai, she has secured sixth rank in GTU. Thank you, sir. I request Sri Dinesh Bhai Navadia sir to come forward and present the memento and certificates to our BPharm students of batch 22-23. I request Kotiwala Farida Banu to come forward. She has secured first rank in institute. Next is Sheikh Tanzim Wazir. She has secured first rank in institute in year 23-24.
Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Kishore Mawani sir to come forward and present the memento and certificate to our third SEM M.Pharm student. I request Ms. Sheikh Bilkesh to come forward. She secured first rank in pharmaceutical chemistry department. Next, Mr. Boradi. He also secured first rank in pharmaceutical chemistry department. Next, Mr. Kaleem Ahmed. He secured first rank in pharmacology department. Next, Ms. Patil Purva Sharad Bhai. She has secured first rank in pharmaceutics department. Ms. Sonali. She has secured first rank in pharmaceutical quality assurance department. Next, Ms. Komal Chandar. She has secured first rank in RA department. Thank you, sir.
I request Ms. Lungaria Eliza Vijay Bhai to come forward and she secured first rank in GT.
I request Ms. Patel Hani Hiral Kumar to come forward. She has secured 7th rank in GT.
To come forward and present memento and certificates to our family third year students. I request Ms. Moh Sakshi Jignesh Kumar to come forward. He secured second rank in GT. She secured second rank in GT. Ms. Chawda Niyati Jitendra Singh. She secured third rank in GT. Ms. Parmar Munsa Amit. She secured She secured 7th rank in GTU. Ms. Tiwari Anjali Rajesh. She secured 8th rank in GTU. Ms. Chauhan Vasakha Jitendra Bai. She secured 9th rank in GTU. Mr. Pandya Mihir Jayesh Kumar. He secured 10th rank in GTU. Ms. Patel Kruti to come forward. She secured 1st rank in GTU. Next, Ms. Sangvi Vidhi. She secured 6th rank in GTU. Ms. Vansia Gita. She secured 7th rank in GTU. Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Dancing John Ross sir to come forward and present the memento and certificates to our family first year student. I request Mr. Chhabariya Van Sanjay Bhai, family first year student, to come forward. He secured 1st rank in institute.
I request Ms. Sambhavi Soil to come forward. She has secured 3rd rank in GTU in semester 7. Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Emin Ulvi sir to come forward and present the memento and certificate to our BCom student. I request Ms. Bhavya Shah. She secured 2nd rank in GTU at 5th semester. Next, Ms. Sidhuya Dhara. She has secured 3rd rank in GTU in semester 5th. I request Vishwa Vekarya to come forward. She has secured 1st rank in institute in 3rd semester.